Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official Follow Cookbook. Today we're making Dandy Boy apples. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for to make next in the comments below. You're going to start this recipe off by grabbing 4 Fuji apples and 4 sticks and stabbing them. Impale the apples. Do it. You know you want to. Do it. Then, in a medium saucepan, you're going to combine 3/4 cups of water, half a cup of light corn syrup, and 2 cups of sugar. And you're going to heat this until the sugar dissolves, and then you're going to you're going to boil the candy mixture until it reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit. You're going to want to use a candy thermometer for this to get your precise measurement. And then you will remove it from the heat, stir in a half teaspoon of rosemary extract if you're using it, and 8 drops of red food coloring. Then you're going to take your apples and you're just going to dip them and rotate them at an angle, with the saucepan at an angle, so you get all sides coated. And you're just going to leave them out until they harden, and it does not take very long. As I was coating these apples, it had already started to harden and tore the the sugar, melted sugar that was already coating one of the apples. It straight up ripped that sugar off because it was already starting to harden. Anyway, these are pretty good. Nigh impossible to bite into. I had to smash it on a table to actually get my teeth through it. So I just did the bite for the picture. I would when I inevitably eat another one, probably tonight. I'm going to use a knife and I'm going to cut it up because it's just simply the superior way of eating it. Anyway, 9 out of 10. Pretty good.